What's going on, guys? Diskin here. So it has been quite a while since I've done a new video, and based on the last video you probably know why, but it is because I was basically making this. I bought a new place, I moved in to it, and I've been just doing a lot of renovations and updating the place and things like that, and because of that I fell behind on videos. But I have another one coming for you guys. I put a poll on Instagram on what video you would like to hear, and most people wanted to hear, how does the stock market or a stock market crash affect real estate? This actually came way in my thought process on this actually came from talking to a few different lenders, and they think that there might be a stock market crash in the near future. It's as good a guess as anybody's, honestly. I always say that when it comes to this kind of things. Timing the markets, I don't think ever tried a very good idea, but still, if you think there's going to be a stock market crash coming, how does that affect real estate, and will there be a real estate crash because of the stock market crash? The short answer is no, most likely not. The stock market and the real estate market are not correlated in that way. So they don't have causation, basically, is what you'd like to say in this thing. So if there was a stock market crash, most likely that's not going to affect the real estate market. Actually, the real estate market, if anything, has a little bit more impact on the stock market than anything else. The stock market, you guys have to realize, is much more volatile compared to the real estate market. So if you look at some charts here, going back even to 2000, you see how much the stock market moves up and down, while the real estate market does move, but not nearly as much as the stock market. And you can say the same thing for in 2008, when there was the real estate price or real estate crash. The stock market actually did take a crash, but it recovered pretty dang quickly. It recovered in a few months, as opposed to the real estate market that took quite a few years to recover from. Vice versa though, when you look at a stock market crash, it almost has no bearing on the real estate market. I would say they most likely relate to each other from just a confidence perspective, basically. So when the stock market's not doing so well, that causes people to be a little bit more hesitant in buying investment real estate. And it can affect the interest rates. So if there is a big crash, most likely interest rates might go up slightly. When it's volatile in the market, usually you see the rates increase slightly, so there might be a few less buyers overall there, but you don't see a huge change. If you look at 1987, for example, when there was a huge famous stock market crash, look at the house price index here and see that there was almost virtually no change in that. So I would say overall, when there's a stock market crash, that does not mean that there is going to be a real estate crash. So you're safe there. We've gone over what happens with your investments if you own real estate and there was a real estate crash. We've been over that in previous videos, but I wanted to go over what would happen if there was a stock market crash and what that would do to real estate. Most likely interest rates might go up a little bit. There might be a short-term slowdown in real estate, but overall you're not going to see a huge dip in the real estate prices or anything like that because of the stock market. People might be a little bit less confident to buy something, or might have less money to buy something, or you might see interest rates go up, and that would probably most likely be it. They do not, if you look back throughout history, there is not a straight correlation between the stock market and the real estate market. So hopefully that helps you guys. Sorry it's been so long since I did a video. We're going to get more regular on these, and I'm going to have to do an updated house tour on the place after the renovations. So follow me on Instagram as well if you want to see some transformation videos and past flips and things like that. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.